Hello students, welcome to future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in electrochemistry chapter. Now, let us see the first question in the chapter. The first one, standard electrode potential for tin 4 plus to tin 2 plus couple is 0.15 voltage, and that for the chromium 3 plus 2 chromium couple is minus 0.74 voltage. These two couples in their standard state are connected to make a cell. The cell potential will be dash. That's a question. Okay. Option A plus 1.19 voltage. Option B 0.89 voltage. Option C 0.18 voltage. Option D 1.83 voltage. See the next one. Electrode potential for the following off-shell reactions are, two equations given. Okay, zinc becomes Zn2 plus, iron becomes iron 2 plus. The electrode potential is given. The EMF for the cell reactions will be dash. They're asking. Okay, so they are given the net equation. So you have to find out the cell potential for this. So we have one formula for the cell potential. So if you apply this, you can get answer. Option A minus 0.32 voltage. Option B 1.20 voltage. Option C minus 1.20 voltage. Option D plus 0.32 voltage. Next one. Third one. The hydrogen gas electrode is made by dipping platinum wire in a solution of HCl of pH 10 and by passing hydrogen gas around the platinum wire at 1 atmosphere pressure. The oxidation potential of electrode would be dash. Option A 0.118 voltage. Option B 1.18 voltage. Option C 0.059 voltage. Option D 0.59 voltage. Next one. Fourth one. When 0.1 mole permanganate manganate MnO4 2 minus is oxidized, the quantity of electricity required to completely oxidize MnO4 2 minus to MnO4 minus is dash. Option A 96500 coulomb. Option B 2 into 96500 coulomb. Option C 9650 coulomb. Option D 96.50 coulomb. Next one. Fifth one. Equivalent conductance of Ba2 plus and Cl minus ions are 127 and 76 ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, equivalent inverse respectively. Equivalent conductance of barium chloride at infinite dilution is dash. Option A 139.5. Option B 101.5. Option C 203. Option D 279. Next one. Sixth question. The weight of silver atomate is given 108, displaced by a quantity of electricity which displaces 5600 ml of O2 at STP will be dash. Option A 5.4 gram. Option B 10.8 gram. Option C 54.0 gram. Option D 108.0 gram. Next one. Seventh question. A 5 ampere current is passed through a solution of zinc sulfate for 40 minutes. The amount of zinc deposited at the cathode will be dash. Option A 0.4065 gram. Option B 65.04 gram. Option C 40.65 gram. Option D 4.065 gram. So students, these are the 7 questions. You just go through all the formulas in the chapter. Okay. The next day I will give the solution to this. Thank you, students.